Hi, welcome back to Health Talk with Dr. Akram. In this series of talks, we've been talking about secrets of long life. First, we talked about blue zone communities and what centenarians eat. And the third one was the lifestyle for longevity. And in this program, we're going to look at deep into one of the communities, a successful community in Okinawa, the secrets of Okinawans. Okinawa lay in East China Sea and the Pacific Ocean, a string of 160 islands. Its unique food and culture bore testimony to one of the longest living people in the world. Buettner's research has found that Okinawans have the 1/5 of cardiovascular disease, 1/4 of breast cancer, and 1/3 of dementia of the rest of the world. Culture of walking year-round, access to fresh medicinal herbs, homegrown vegetables, and soy-based protein can be the life-changing factors in this population. Moai, a powerful circle of lifelong friends, support each other well into old age. Ikigai, a very strong sense of purpose in life, is the other driving force. Older Okinawans can readily articulate the reason to get up in the morning. This purpose-imbued lives gives them a clear role in responsibility of being needed well into their hundreds. Rely on plant-based diet. Older Okinawans had eaten plant-based diets almost all their lives. Stir-fried vegetables, sweet potatoes, and tofu are high in nutrients and low in calories. Goya with antioxidants and other compounds lower blood sugar. They occasionally eat meat during ceremonies. Gardening. Almost all centenarians grow gardens. It's a source of daily physical activity that exercises the body. Eat more soy. Okinawan diet is rich in soy like tofu and miso soup. Flavonoids in soy may help protect the heart and prevent cancer. Fermented soy provides a good source of bacteria to the guts. Then, of course, enjoy the sunshine. Vitamin D has numerous effects in the body, including building your bones to boosting immune system. A daily dose of vitamin D does it all for them. Stay active. Older Okinawans are active walkers and gardeners. Okinawan household has very little furniture. Residents eat meals on mats called tatami. The fact that older people get up and down several times a day builds up their lower body and protects them from falls. Plant medical garden. Mugwort, ginger, turmeric all have proven medicinal properties. By consuming these every day, Okinawans may be protected against illnesses. Residents of Okinawa are some of the world's healthiest and happiest. Strong social network and good food may be the secret. Well, if you look at Okinawans and other blue zone groups in detail, they have very common lifestyle despite living world apart. Their food is what our ancestors ate. Their lifestyle is almost what our ancestors had. And on top, the purpose of life and regular activities takes them to hit the century in their birth calendar. I can still remember from my childhood that my grandmother's diet was not very far from theirs. I can still remember searching for 24 greens to make the special curry on a special day on a particular month every year. The black millet, okurakan, and bajari one day filled our plates with plenty of vegetables. Papaya stir-fry and boiled jackfruit was not strange to our food. We ate meat on Fridays, and chicken was served only on festive days. There used to be a saying, the poor ate chicken for a special day or when the chicken became ill. Well, that's about it. There are a lot you could search in a book called Blue Zones by Dan Buettner. He has written few books and it's worth reading. In our next video, I will give you 10 tips to hit the century. So until then, practice what we talked about and look after yourselves. See you there.